Hello, hi, good evening, everyone, and good evening, all the participants for this program. So today we have Hall of Fame, Ms. Ruchi Kashyap. She is our Hall of Fame interviewer today, and we are going to discuss about her journey and how she has landed up in not only one job, two jobs altogether. She is part of my program, Rethink Career Hub in Data Science, and she is a part of my April batch or May batch out there. So we will start with a quick introduction. Ruchi, if you could brief about yourself, that would be great.
Hi Manoj, hi everyone whoever would be viewing this. So I basically started my career with a very great MNC TCS, and I served there for 7.5 years. So and I worked on a different profiles there. My work was really good. It was interesting, but due to that COVID and post-COVID situation, there was some issues. Then I had to take a gap. I had to take a break. I had resigned from my job, and then 1.5 years, I'll say 1 year to be precise, 1 year and 5 months, I could not join back. And I was going through like, if I need to get back to the job, then what do I need to do? Because now that is the time. Then it, it was quite a struggle for some time before I really landed up to deciding what where I am now, and to the from the point where I actually started off to think that from where should I start. One and a half years of professional experience with some 1.5 years of self analysis, I'll say struggling time, and then some of the time to understand that where I want to go.
Perfect, perfect, very nice. So that is very inspiring. See, she has done she has started her career in a corporate, and then she has spent quite a good amount of time, 5 6 years into this. And after that, because of the family situation, personal situation, and all, she took a break out there, almost like 1.5 2 years break. And like many of women professionals go undergo through the similar very situation where she has to take, because of the family situation, personal situation, and I'll take a gap of say 2 years 3 years and all. And they normally used to be in dilemma whether she would be getting the job back or not. What would be the situation after 2 years or 3 years gap? So you can see, you have example right now. Ruchi has set up this example that even after having a break of say 1.5 2 years and all, you can easily come back. Only thing that you need has sheer determination, dedication, and understanding that what path you need to choose. So now coming to that, Ruchi, what brings you in data science? Like what, like after you completed, what the thought process that data science would be your career path, and also what thought has come in your mind to take the job to next level?
Okay, so when I left, and since the time I started digging out at what I really want to do, because now this will be my second inning to my career. So and my second inning should be my good comeback. So I wanted to opt for a career where is there a promising growth, like in every sense, in a sense where I can enjoy my work, where I can be rewarded with a good finance. It should be a good financially rewarding job. So when I saw data science, it was like everywhere in the market now. But then I had to understand that what actually it is. When I started digging it out, like what actually it comprises of, I saw that it's all those things that I really loved while doing while with be it the mathematics, be it the domain specific thing, and the analytical and computing and those kind of stuff. So it all together, like it was like a perfect fit for me. Like, okay, this is the career that I really want to do.
Great, great. And can you throw some light, like why did you choose Rethink Career Hub? Because like you had decided to go with data science, and what prompted you to choose Rethink Career Hub?
Okay, while I was searching for many other options that I had, like there was a big brands as well, which everybody knows, right? But what I saw in during the orientation program, while it was like we had a masterclass, and there I could see that whatever things were being discussed, that was practical thing. There are two type of things going to get a industry knowledge altogether. Am I audible, Manoj?
Yes, yes, it was interrupting in between. Don't know, like there was some
Okay.
internet distraction. But yeah,
What I
please go on.
yeah
Yeah.
yeah what I concluded was, see, there are what I believe with my career so far in my life what I see, there are two type of aspects that we get out of any course. Either we get a certificate or we get a industrial exposure. What I saw that even if I go with big brands, maybe I get a good certificate, but I need to have the right industry knowledge, and I have to be, from, in fact, waiting to know from somebody who is already working on that platform, knowing the, current affairs of my of the career right now. That was like, a big exposure for me. For me, a certificate did not matter much. So while I
Excellent.
got to know you and the career program, I thought, no, this is the right fit for me, from where I can actually get to know that what really it is, what actually industry demands from.
Wonderful, well said. Thank you very much, Ruchi, on this. Now, coming back to this, like many of the women professionals are in a very similar situation, and they are not very sure, like after this gap of 2 years, 3 years, whether she would be able to land up the job and all. Now, you have life example of this. What would be your suggestion to those women professionals who who have taken the gap and all, and they want to come back to the main corporate? So, how is your preparation and all? What would be your suggestion to them?
Okay, that's a big thing actually. So one thing we all need to, even I was there in at one point in time at that shoot where I did not know that whether I will be able to, restart my career with where I actually let it be, or I just had resigned or just given up. But for the time I had actually worked, it took me time, to understand that I was the only person who had actually worked for 7.5 years with corporate. I had dealt with the clients with better than anybody around me. So I had, the only thing that we women or anybody, not only just women, any men who had, left the career or have taken a break, they lack the confidence. And lacked my self confidence big time. So for initial few months, it took me time to build my confidence. First of all, that okay, I can do it because I have done it in the past. So now it will never be, restart from zero. It will definitely be adding it to my experience. And second thing, what I felt during my, that I'm telling you from my experience, people around will tell you different kind of suggestions, and they will give you different kind of suggestions. They are your well wishers definitely, but whatever they say, that comes only from their experience. So to me, it was told that Ruchi, since you are coming back, maybe you have taken a break, maybe you do not get the same kind of role, maybe you get a degraded role from where you left, or you will not be getting the salary that you were already getting. So these are the things that will definitely try to pull you down. But what I would suggest, the big suggestion, that do not ever listen to any suggestion that does not empower you. Because I landed up, I gave 3 interviews. I was very, very scared. I used to take interviews in my company, previous company, for people, and I was
Wonderful.
scared to give interview. Okay, so and I gave 3 interviews, and all of three I cracked,
That's
and
great. That's
and
phenomenal.
and all of three. And when they initially asked me what I'm expecting, I was skeptical. Like, what should I tell them? What I'm expecting? I just gave them a random number, really. And you know what happened? All three of them have offered me twice than what I was actually getting, and they
Wow.
have given
Wow.
me better role than what I was initially in.
Wow.
Just because I got this confidence from people when I was working with the only association that I had with the corporate people was through Rethink Career Hub, and I could see that people, only those people around me. Okay, so what I saw that everybody is as per the industry standard. That boosted me to upgrade myself, did my certification, improve myself. I just kept on doing my work, improved my own mindset, got my self confidence, did not hear to what other people were saying. And just it was the grace of divine that everything just fallen into place.
That's
So
wonderful.
that's it. That's the journey.
That's great. That's a awesome journey. See, the 2 points that Ruchi has mentioned, it's quite critical. And I know, like, again, she has rightly pointed out, it is not only for women professional, it is men professional also, all the working professional who took a career break and want to come back to the corporate office. So the thing is that, like, lack of confidence, and then a lot of people talk about a lot of things and all. You will not go and get the same position. What she has pointed out, you will not able to get the same type of salary and all. She has proved it is not only she has got much better position, she has got almost double the salary also. So that thing is completely void. It is just a null and void. Like, do not go with the opinion and not public opinion. Just believe in yourself. Have to work on the mindset. Whatever experience you have, that will no one will be taking it away. That is always with you. Thing is that, like, you just need to have the right mentor, right guidance, and right mindset to take your career journey to the next level. And you can see the example that the house he has gone to the next level, not only in terms of the designation and the role, but also in terms of the her salary and all. So never compromise on that part. You all have a very good opportunity to just take this example and then just get motivated and continue your journey. You will surely land up in a much better options and all. So one other thing, Ruchi, like, what would be your suggestion? Like after say 2 3 years of gap, if someone wants to start preparing, what any 2 or 3 pointers that you want to give to them? What would be the key takeaway that they should start thinking around?
Okay. So first thing is like it will be a second inning, as I always say for myself. Also, that it is my second inning. I have to perform better than what I did. So
Right.
first of all, I have to understand really that what I liked in my previous work and what I really want to do. Because now this, if I am starting, that will be for a longer term. So with my previous experience, I know what I want and what I do not want. And the second thing, upgrade yourself to the industry standard. Whatever domain, whatever
Absolutely.
industry we are into, we just need to come into. Because initially, when I was working, it was all the enterprise and legacy versions. Now everything is in cloud. I upgraded to that. So, and it's also like never to give up, because trust me, if I say that I cracked, I took three interviews and I cracked it, but it did not mean that the three only people contacted me. There were companies who called. I told them that I have 1 year and 5 years of gap. They said that no, my company do not accept that, and this
Mhm.
happened with multiple scenarios as well. A lot of companies. Okay, so that did not even end up till my profile selection itself. That was
Perfect.
also the
Perfect.
case. So not
Okay,
to give
perfect.
up, just keep on doing your work as per the industry standard.
Wonderful, wonderful. See, that is the beauty of all the thing. It is not a rosy picture we are trying to portray here. See, accept this thing that says he might have got like a 10, 20 different options and all, but everyone is not entertaining those things. But yes, it is not like time to give up and all. You may land up in a much better opportunity and all, and people are there, corporate are there to take you up. So do not just think of that whatever you apply, everything you will be getting the response back. But surely your continued effort is going to help you to get that type of thing if you just consist in your journey and continue with that. Perfect, very nice. One other thing, and lastly, Ruchi, what would be your suggestion to those who are willing to join Rethink Career Hub and want to go ahead with their career? Like data science is one of the great area to be, and a lot of new opportunity are coming in. So what would be your suggestion to those who are on the fence deciding whether I should join or not join? So what would be your suggestion or recommendation to them?
Okay. My honest opinion, like when what I have seen how Manoj takes the classes. I am from the IT background, so I can am very well versed with the okay, how software works, how programming works. But I have seen Manoj putting effort into those kind of people who know nothing about programming. Now they are becoming acquainted with the programming thing. He is helping at a simple thing that people ignore. That okay, fine. If you are not from the IT background, you cannot come. So Manoj is helping not only people from IT background, from other backgrounds as well, who have no exposure to the programming, and helping in the similar way, and helping in them to come into the pace where the current software engineers are, whatever is required. For even example, like Python series were going on. So he is helping every person, even from the banking domain, as a person who have never done programming. So I think you need that kind of mentor, and that's why you should join Rethink Career.
Thank you, thank you. Thanks a lot, Ruchi, for establishing this fact and again pointing out this thing in a very, very focused way. Perfect. I think it was very intensive discussion, and you had given very good pointers to all the audience. And I hope they will get this clue. And again, never give up attitude would be there. And with this, you will surely going to land up in a much better job. My best wishes to Ruchi
Thank you.
and for her much better career opportunity and a prolonged journey in her career growth there. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.